Very much interesting. I got a chance to do these video clips. On the left, we have the indisciplined driving of Goa, which are probably by the bribed license holders, those who bribed and got the licenses. Whereas on the other side, to the right side, we have the disciplined driving of UK. So let us start with disciplined driving and then jump on to the indisciplined driving of Goa. See the disciplined driving, how the people come. Very much disciplined, very lovely. This is the systematic country, and the people are so systematic. They drive so systematically, whereas back in Goa, as we see, accidents take place. Here there are no accidents. See the systematic driving and well-disciplined driving. The crossing for everybody, as you can see. Now they stop systematically at the signal and people do cross over. Having seen Penjim and Mopsa back to UK Swindon, see how the roads are marked, well marked roads. With all the markings, all the directions are given on the road, the speed limits are written on the road, and as such all the cars are following that speed limit, the direction and everything. See how the cars stop to give the way, right of way. Could this have happened in, could this happen in Goa? It couldn't happen. It never happens in Goa. I've been there. I've missed a lot of time. Meeting with an accident from someone getting banged. But because the driving is so horrible and so horrifying, it really shows that there are no signs on the roads, hardly signs which are compatible with the UK road signs or any dealing with the road safety.
Speed.
Nothing is taken into consideration. The RTO there, and here it's the DVL. Well, the difference is vast. Hope people survive. That's the reason why in Goa there are plenty of accidents. I've seen horrible deaths right in front of us. People meeting with accident, dying, driving.
Just showing the signs. Beautiful.
On Aldona Road. See the guy is holding the mobile in next to his ears and he's riding the motorbike the other. This is very strange. Nothing happens.
पडलन राव इनका पडलन राव होते कपेला कडून भितर घ्या Systematically the cars stop for the crossers. The moment signal goes red, the crossing is done by the people and the cars stop exactly. This is the systematic driving of UK. Whereas in Goa the driving is non-systematic and they won't allow people to cross the road. This is the best thing you can see here.
I hope all the viewers, whoever watch this, see the difference between Goa's unsafe driving and UK's safe driving, and hope those back there driving unsafely so badly correct themselves to a proper and safe driving. Thank you.